Good morning, YouTube. I have come to bring some news about WiiIR, the program that lets you control your infrared devices using your Wii. Now, just in case you're wondering, is that a Wii U? Yes. Yes, it is. Somehow this maniac application manages to work on a Wii U as well, and I don't know how, but just take it and run because you're not going to get that anywhere else, I guess. A lot of you guys may be wondering, how do I get codes to the devices? Well, I use two methods. One is this thing here. This is a simple infrared device reader. It reads the commands that you send, like it's a on, and it prints out the pronto code, which is the raw infrared code. And then I can send raw codes with the Wii. And the second method is the Flipper's infrared database, which consists of like a lot of different things, you know? And then we have a script that automatically turns your Flipper database folder into the XML database, which we'll take a look at in a minute. But before we do that, let's take a look at some of the software I use to read pronto codes. This software is called WiiIR Scrutinizer. Now, how do you use it? Say, read a command, go to your serial terminal, and copy the command into your clipboard, paste it in here, scrutinize it. Now, what does it leave you with? These three values: the protocol, the data, and the address. So, those are crucial, because with the XML database, you can also send NEC commands instead of having to do these raw commands, which take up a lot more space. So, yeah, let me just finish adding some of the Christmas tree commands, and then I'll demonstrate the actual software itself. The database, the database is stored on this SD card as an XML file, which is humanly readable. Right now the app's not loaded on the SD card, so in order to run it, we have to reload it. So yeah, once it starts up, just pop out your Wii remote, select the device, hit B to select. It's not A because ImGUI is ImGUI and it's weird. And I'll map some of these buttons out and I'll show you how it works. To edit a map, you click one of the buttons and you click Edit Mappings and then select the button. Alright, I got the buttons mapped out. So now what you do is you click Run Device and it kicks you to text mode. And the reason for that is because when it's running a GUI, it's too process intensive on the CPU, and it causes the precise timing required by WiiIR to not be so precise, and it doesn't work. So let's do an example here. I turn off, on, mode 1, mode 2. I don't know if I've read that right. Mode 3. Mode 4, 5, 6, off, on. Now that's great. Da 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 da. Now let's exit the app and launch it again. Alright, let's try my TV. RCA Smart TV. Now, I already got this pre-mapped. Now don't mind those glitches, they happen sometimes, but let's see. Let's go source. Oh wait, oops, that was power. My bad, I forgot the mapping. Turn it back on. Give it a second. So now source, la, da, 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 home. You can see it's working beautifully. And there. And I can even change the source too. Yeah? This is working beautifully. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still gotta fix the single trigger home button so that you can map the home button properly. Anyways, that's the current status of WiiIR. I actually cannot find the remote codes for that thing, the amplifier. And no, it has it, but I can't find it. But yeah, that's the current status of WiiIR. Stay tuned, everyone.